Radio City. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
So you've been through a very bad traffic all over from I think Yeshwanthpur. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the Bangalore traffic.
No, I just didn't understand whether it was 8 o'clock in the morning or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Because it's like everyone are going to office or coming back from office. Just unbelievable traffic.
So actually, there's nothing called a peak hour now in Bangalore. All hours are peak hours. So tell me, you've just been out of the Big Boss house. And how does it feel like back to civilization and back to your usual self?
No, definitely back to civilization.
Just before you came, ನೀವು ಬರೋಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಶಕಿಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ರಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಐಸ್. ಸೊ
I wear contact lens. I wear a misty grey contact lens.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾದಕ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Definitely.
ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That's Shakila for you. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಶಕಿಲಾ ಚೀಚಿ ಅಂತ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದುಂಟಾ?
Yes. Yesterday I came to Bangalore from Pune, Bangalore airport. And one girl should be around 13 years, 14 years. Avಳು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು she asked, are you Shakila? I said yes, I nodded. And she said, can I have a photo with you? Why did you come out of work? I said I wasn't feeling good, ma. Okay. Then she took a photograph and immediately said, thank you, Chechi. I was really shocked because Chechi is one Malayalam term used for akka. And it's become so famous in Kannada. I was really happy for that.
Absolutely. So ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ?
Definitely it's a different image for me right now. I used to have a lot of male fans. Now it's even yesterday I went to some restaurant to buy food. Ali almost around 20-30 ladies they were going to somewhere, I don't know. So they stopped near my vehicle and they were just asking me, you should have not come out, and everybody called me Chichi again. I'm really so happy because first time, normally men see me, recognize me and come and talk to me. For the first time I was feeling top of the world when female audience spoke to me.
Absolutely. ಸೊ ಶಕಿಲಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇನ್ ಹರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವಾಗ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಷ್ಟು ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರೈ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ?
No, as I was saying, it's come out in my book also. It's Shakila's Atmakatha in Malayalam. It's released, and that's going to come in Kannada also. I got it returned. It's like I got my 10th standard fail, and then my father was hitting me, and then one producer saw that. He used to stay opposite to my house.
Okay.
So the whole people there came running and saved me from my father. Don't hit a girl and all that. Adla, there was one makeup man. Who is still working for TRT Rajendra sir. He asked my father at that moment, will you allow this girl to be an actress? It was a shock of my life because I'm getting hit by my father and one person is so daring enough to ask this question. My father said, yeah, you take her because anyway education is not there. You take her or you better kill her. If you don't, I will kill her.
Oh God.
And the next day itself, he came home and he took me to a shooting spot in Chennai ABM. I saw Silk Smitha for the first time. And then the director saw me and immediately no photographs taken, no portfolios taken. Then I was selected as Silk Smitha's younger sister. So that's how I landed up in cinemas.
Absolutely. At one point, I don't know if this is true or not, but there was so-called rivalry between Silk Smitha and Shakila. Was that true?
Not at all. Because 99 I entered Malayalam industry. Before that I used to do small roles even with her. First before my movie, called Playgirls. She played the lead and I played her sister. So not one word of rivalry between me and Akka.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯೆ.
Yeah, very good.
ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡೇ ಶಕೀಲಾ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ?
Nothing. I just did what I do at my house. I just did that in Big Boss. I wake up. But I miss my PlayStation and hang. Radio City. Other than that, I did all the things normally I do at home.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Very much. Only that.
ಹೌದಾ?
I'm not too much into phones, you know. I don't chat much over phone and all that. On my phone, my assistants do attend it. If it's tumba important, then I attend my calls. Or otherwise, games are my life.
Oh, okay. So that's a thing that we didn't know about you. So in nangu boyfriend idare anta ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅವಾಗ. So probably we want to know about it.
Yeah. See, yes, I said I have a boyfriend and I know how to behave with the other friends. She said something about one of her friends too, and she says that I'm so loyal, I'm so honest and all that. I find there is no loyalty or honesty within them. Forget the friends who are outside now. In that house, when we are living there, Ali, I felt that you should have loyalty within yourselves, first of all. When you don't have that, what is the use of speaking about loyalty and honesty? It shouldn't even come out of our mouths.
Absolutely. So would you like to share something about your relationship?
What do you want to know?
Anything that you want to say?
Then I love this person. I'm in love, and inshallah we are planning to get married soon.
Very nice. So Ramzan day review sigutta?
Not so soon because Ramzan is hardly 5-6 days left from now.
Yeah.
Maybe by end of this year, inshallah.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇನ್ನವೇ ಮನೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ನ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಬೇಜಾರಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ?
ಬೇಜಾರನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ I thought it would be different because every year I've been celebrating with my family. This year I thought I will be there and I'll celebrate, but everything, starting from my health and everything didn't cooperate much. So I wasn't there, but I'm not feeling bad. Again, it's only 3 months there in Big Boss. So you have to get out of there.
Yeah.
Alva. Even if you are a winner, you have to be out of there. So, yake bejaru.
Absolutely. ಸೊ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಡೆ ಕೂತಲ್ಲಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ?
What is that?
I mean, so who was the one who slept at the drop of a hat, sit and would doze off?
First is Shweta.
She would doze off at the drop of a hat.
Yeah. And then Anupama, and then otherwise Layana, Shruja, and Mayura.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಡೆ ಜನ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ. ಸ್ನೋರಿಂಗ್.
Mayur, Layana, and Akul.
Akul also. And ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಿಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು?
Akul.
Akul used to do that?
Too much. We used to get scared, in fact. Yeah, we used to startle and sit, but he'll be sleeping.
ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಎಚ್ಚರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕಿಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ನಿದ್ದೆನಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕಿಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕುಕ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು? ಸುಜನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಾಪ ತರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ?
ಶ್ವೇತಾ and Anupama.
Yeah,
they are really hard workers. They never say no. Whatever anybody wants, they are ready to go and do it. And always caught in a problem first is Rohit. Because even Big Boss gives him punishments like that, wash the vessels for till he says. And Santosh, they are in trouble. But and then playing the game carefully, I feel it's Deepika. Deepika is the player in there. I never expected. Initially, she was like too much of Chenchi sitting on that and all that, and then she's actually a chameleon. I even told that on stage, I think. Although she'll act as if she's very nice to everyone, full of words from everyone, and she knows when and where to use it.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ರಂಜಾನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ರಂಜಾನ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಸೇಜ್.
ರಂಜಾನ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್? ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವಿಶ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಈದ್ ಮುಬಾರಕ್.
ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಸೇಜ್.
Try it till you succeed, and you will definitely get it. And keep trying.
Absolutely. ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
Thank you very much.